Hello, and thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy, and this is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. In today's video, I am going to be switching my room from my winter decor to springtime. So I'm going to be taking out the navy blue and putting in a lighter, brighter color to welcome in the spring season. These panels really served me well. I got them from Amazon and they were only like $12 and some change per panel. I probably could have used a couple extra panels, but the key for me was to just have it cover the window, and they are the room darkening curtains, but they worked really, really well. It's called Sun Zero Barrow Energy Efficient Curtains or something like that. But anyway, I got these from Home Goods, and I'm going to try these for this season. Like I said, they are the lighter color, and I do like that for the spring. Time to do away with the darker colors. Now, these curtains have been up a day at this point, and I thought that the wrinkles would start to fall out, but who was I fooling? I had to pull out the steamer to get them in better shape because they were so wrinkled. Now, I'm not a fan of having to do this steaming. I don't even iron things anymore. Isn't it funny how it seems like when I was younger, at least, everything had to be ironed before you wore it, but now nothing seems to need to be ironed anymore. You know, you take them out of the dryer. If you get them out of the dryer right away, they're fine and you're good to go with them if you hang them on up. But anyway, I had to steam these curtains and I was low-key pissed off about it. Now, I love duvets, but I hate putting them on. I tell you, I struggle and I have to call in help every time it's time to take it off, to wash it, and put it back on. I call my daughter-in-law. Thankfully, she lives very, very close, and she comes over and she helps me get it on. I struggle with it big time. Despite the hard time I have putting them on, I do really like them once they get on. I like a really comfy, cushy bed. I like very, very thick cover, but it really helps when I have like a linen or some breathable fabric on the bed to help me to, not get too hot. I like the feel of the heavy comfort, but not feeling hot, if that makes any sense at all. So duvet covers really do work for me, and I really like the linen in the spring and the summertime. So here's a little confession. As soon as I'm done making up this bed, I'm getting back in it, and it's the middle of the afternoon because that's what I do, child. I take me a nap every single day. My mother talks about me so bad, she calls, "Are you in the bed?" Why, yes, I am, and I'm not ashamed about it. My naps are important to me. And then honestly, I don't always fall asleep, but I do get in the bed midday every day for just that little downtime. It's so important to me. So that's one of the reasons why I like my bedroom to be nice and comfortable. Now, I'm only steaming the bed because I have the steamer out already, but normally I don't even worry about it because if you're familiar with linen, it's going to wrinkle anyway. And I actually kind of like that look in the bedroom. It's very comfortable and cozy for me. Now, I love my bed. I have the adjustable base on my bed, but it does not allow for me to put a rug up under it because the base probably weighs about 100 pounds. It's one of the older base beds, so I cannot lift it up at all. That's the one thing I do not like about it. But anyway, I do like to have a side rug so that when I step out of the bed in the morning, I, step on something comfortable and not on the hardwood. So I just buy these little side rugs to go on here. I'm going to put some candles in my lanterns and use those. I just think that just creates such a cozy little space. And these have a timer on them, so I can set it so that in the evening time I can have them on. And then when it's bedtime, I can just turn them off. Now, I thrifted this vase, and I love thrifting vases because they're very inexpensive. You can get them for like $3, and then you can upcycle them very, very easily to update your look. This picture, decided to DIY it, but in hindsight, it wasn't the best idea that I've had. I was tired of the navy, and since I was going with a lighter color and I didn't really want to invest in other paintings or artwork for the room at this time, I just decided to get rid of the blue on here just to put some paint on there and to lighten it up. It's not my favorite, but it will work until I decide what type of artwork I want to go with in here. But now for future, I will only buy artwork that is more neutral or definitely in my staple colors, which are like black or white or, gold or something like that. I just don't care for a lot of color in my stable pieces. I like to accent with colors, but and if you buy more neutral pictures and things like that, you can always change things out with a duvet cover or with a throw or pillows or things like that. And so my decor style going forward, I will definitely keep that in mind and stay away from the colors unless I know I'm going to be committed to it for a very long time. The beauty of abstract art is that there's no right or wrong. If you like it, then it's right. Simple as that. Now, this is another thrifted vase, and it was good to go as it was. I love the texture in it. It cost $4.99, and then I went on discount day, so it was additional 25% off. But I love this vase. It's very, very tall, and I'm going to use it here in this bathroom here. And I'm just pulling out some of my florals from my stash, and I'm going to put them in here, and that's how I'm going to decorate in here for the spring season. This is my master bathroom, and I'm just using what I have to put in here.
I hope you found some inspiration for how you can decorate your space for the spring season on a budget. You can thrift some pieces, mix them in with your higher end pieces, and create a really nice look. No one will ever know, and you're saving yourself a few dollars along the way. Now, who doesn't want to do that? If you enjoy this type of video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love it if you would become a part of my YouTube family. This is the type of content that I create over here, and I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next video. Bye-bye.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do a